Yeah, so you're going to go into MDI,
yeah,
there, and because you're on that, you'll be able to do it with your door open.
Yeah.
So you're going to go M, which one is it?
89.
89 means you're gripping externally.
Underblock, insert.
Yeah, then you hit your cycle start, yeah, but it's the light stays on, and then you press your reset, and that clears it, and then you jiggle your pedal a couple of times. And now your clamp signal, that's with the chuck open.
Yep.
So that's work. Then the other weight obviously to